and I'm very upset right now. Why? Because my family is stupid, okay? 6 o'clock this morning, I've been awake since 6 o'clock this morning, and now it is... I don't even fucking know what time it is, okay? But we were supposed to go to St. Elizabeth just to make sure everything for my grandma's funeral was going okay. And that was supposed to be done from about 8 o'clock this morning, okay? St. Elizabeth is a good 2.5 hour drive from where me there right now. And now they want to go there now. So nighttime can't catch me down there, so I'm have to come here. I'm not from morning, I'm not since morning. Since we eat my breakfast this morning, I'm not eat nothing because I'm weep and people I say, if me I go in town, me will buy something in town, or when them come pick me up, me go up the road and stop and go buy something to eat. Okay? I am like, I'm over them. Like, they're so friggin' irritating. Like, when they're under pressure, I can't stand them, and this is the main reason why I did not want to friggin' come to Jamaica. But out of respect for my granny, I said, okay, I'm gonna come and pay my respects and say my goodbyes. But I can't put up with this. Like, I cannot wait for Sunday to come. Like, I don't want to bury her. Like, I hate that she's gone, but at the same time, like, I cannot deal with this family any longer. Really and truly, I cannot deal. It's just taking way too long. Every time my freaking phone rings and they call me, oh, we're on our way, and they can never reach it. I'm over this shit.
And this is a guy that's smart and going places.
Anyhow, that's what I'm doing today. I'm going to St. Elizabeth to make sure everything is going great for my grandma, and I guess that's it, because my whole day is done now. I spent it at home. What a waste of a friggin' day. When I get on this bus, okay, anyways, I'm in the bus now. I'm St. Elizabeth with my ugly family. Hi, Labby! And my mom. Hi, Mom! Mommy! It's you! Turn off your radio for what? Like what? What are we turning off the radio for? The other night? Yeah. Yo, I put this down because I see the police, but I'm like, we're in Jamaica. Exactly. Yo, the music in this. Yo, this is my song. Turned up, okay? Like my husband and now they ain't loyal. I'm the only loyal one. So we finally made it out. And so much for history. Entertainment with a roach and your nigga can't do nothing for you. Oh, these girls ain't loyal. Oh, these girls ain't loyal. Yeah, yeah. Got rich. Took a broke nigga bitch. Broke bitch. But I'll fuck broke. Yo, she always lets it slip, guy. Like, she has no filter. No filter whatsoever. Well, why should we? It's just a word. God damn it. I guess. But when we're amongst citizens, senior citizens and stuff, you have to be sensitive to their ears. Who are you dealing with? Who? Senior citizens. You have to be sensitive to their ears. That's true. You know what I mean? Like, my mom is right beside you because she can't handle that. Even though she cusses it every day. Yeah. Honestly, guys, I'm trying to catch the scenery for you, but maybe it's better back there. It's so bumpy, I can't do it. Elizabeth. So now the grave dig They're still working on it. We're walking up this long ass hill to see what the finished product is gonna look like.
Then the girl say, me here, since I'm going one spot left on the field.
So those are coffins.
So this is it?
No, not a spot. There could be a spot right here too.
Those are not coffin. Coffin underneath.
Other graves.
Baby.
But I know
I like how they have
the
that
one
one
with
out
the
there.
cross is what
Yeah,
he
me
did.
too.
That black and that white and gray
And
one,
that small one, you know, inside the white one, that is on. Right?
like
them-
how the top is
them are
built
two
kind
now.
of like
No,
that.
no, them
I
are
like how it's like.
illustrated.
I like how it's nice like that.
Yeah.
Like not the house, but they have one over there with I think like a. Your dad.
You know dead? In the
Mosquito?
In the burial castle.
they're out
My
there,
dad
yeah.
no burial
Big
castle.
bear time.
My dad at St. James, that's at St. Elizabeth.
They're not tree.
No,
Yeah.
but where is he buried? Like
Who?
where is?
My father.
Yeah.
Latry.
Oh, okay.
Not here, not here. Here is a different part.
I know that.
Yeah.
I just wanted to know where it was that he was buried. Lord man.
Not here.
I know that. He just said that. Cha.
This was here. This was where I grew.
I know that.
I hear me live from go school.
I know
start
that.
at school, right?
Yes, I'm aware.
Right, right.
I'm aware. Do you want to tell me more?
Yeah.
What more do you want to say?
Ask dead Uncle Fat.
Tell me everything, bro.
Let me not tell you when you not listen.
I'm listening.
Well, I could see it.
Ask dead and cow fat. You understand? You hear?
There's no coffee on it.
This is the apple tree. But nothing on the pan, we cannot eat it.
It's not.
What you say, I'm okay. What you say, I'm okay.